pharmaceutical manufacturing. The 5 Ps of cGMP, or current good manufacturing practices. These 5 Ps are essential for maintaining product quality, safety, and regulatory compliance in the pharmaceutical industry. So what are the 5 Ps of cGMP? They are people, premises, processes, products, and procedures. Each of these plays a vital role in ensuring that pharmaceutical products are manufactured safely and consistently. Let's dive into each one. The first P is people. In cGMP, having the right people in the right roles is crucial. This means ensuring that all personnel are thoroughly trained in their specific roles and responsibilities. Everyone must understand the cGMP guidelines and know how to perform their tasks correctly. Host training is the backbone of a well-functioning manufacturing team. Every staff member needs to be competent in their tasks, and regular refresher training is essential. Host, another key aspect is personnel hygiene and behavior. Proper hygiene protocols such as wearing the right protective clothing and following strict hand-washing procedures help prevent contamination in the manufacturing environment. Next, we have premises. The design and maintenance of the manufacturing facility play a critical role in maintaining product quality. The facility should be designed to prevent contamination, allow smooth movement of materials, and meet clean room standards. Host environmental controls are essential to ensure that temperature, humidity, and airflow are properly regulated. This helps create a controlled environment, especially in areas where sensitive processes are taking place. Moving on to processes. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, consistency is key, and that's why cGMP requires clearly defined and documented standard operating procedures, or SOPs. SOPs guide every step of the manufacturing process to ensure it's done correctly every time. Once a process is established, it needs to be validated. Validation confirms that the process consistently produces the intended results, and continuous monitoring ensures that any deviations are caught and corrected. Let's talk about products. In cGMP, quality control is non-negotiable. It's not just about making the product, it's about making sure that every batch meets strict quality standards. Every pharmaceutical product must meet predefined specifications, such as purity, potency, and stability. Thorough testing is performed throughout production to ensure that the final product is safe and effective. And finally, we have procedures, often referred to as the paperwork of cGMP. Documentation is the backbone of good manufacturing practices. Every step of the process must be documented, from raw material receipt to the final product's release. Proper record-keeping ensures traceability. Detailed batch records and audit trails allow manufacturers to trace any issues back to their source, helping prevent future problems and ensuring regulatory compliance. So why are the 5 Ps of cGMP so important? They ensure that pharmaceutical manufacturing is done with the highest levels of care and precision. By following these principles, companies can produce safe, high-quality products that meet regulatory standards, protect patients, and build trust. In conclusion, the 5 Ps of cGMP, people, premises, processes, products, and procedures, are the pillars that support high standards in pharmaceutical manufacturing. By focusing on these areas, manufacturers ensure product consistency, safety, and compliance with regulations. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the SL Pharma channel for more insights on pharmaceutical manufacturing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.